Hi, kids. Let's have a look at some fruits that taste great. Each type of fruit looks and tastes different. It's cool to eat fruits and be healthy, too. These are strawberries. They are small, red, heart-shaped berries covered with hundreds of tiny seeds. Strawberries are juicy, sweet, and extremely delicious, and are one of the most enjoyed fruits. This is a watermelon. The fruit is green or yellow from the outside and red, sweet, and juicy from the inside. It contains many small black seeds. Watermelons are very refreshing and are best enjoyed in hot summer days. These are grapes. They grow in bunches and can be green, red, black, orange, pink, or dark blue in color. They can be sweet or sour in taste. Grapes are enjoyed fresh and are also used for making the yummy jams and jellies that you enjoy. This is an apple. This one here is red and juicy. There are many different types of apples, and not all are red in color. Some of them are green or golden color. Apples are one of the most healthy fruits that keep us strong and fit. Remember, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. This is a banana. It has a thick skin that needs to be peeled off before you can eat it. Not all bananas are yellow in color. There are many which come in red and green colors as well. Bananas are a good source of energy. This is a mango. Mangoes are yellow or green in color, and they are very sweet, juicy, and delicious in taste. They have a huge seed inside, which cannot be eaten. The sweet taste of mangoes is best enjoyed when eaten raw. Mangoes are also used to make yummy mango smoothies and ice creams for hot summers.